the tool search backend project, and you can see this is the code flow, and it is simple Streamlit based code for forming operation web page. Okay, and you can see here this is the page from where input come, and basically it perform CRUD operation, FastAPI backend, and business logic is tool service CRUD operation, and search service semantic search. This is ML task basically, and semantic search, in semantic search it took test and convert in vector, and it will store in Qdrant vector database. And for real-time analysis, people which time data come and which time data goes delete, everything is will store in SQLite PostgreSQL. Basically this database is in my local system. You can see in tools db. Okay, you can see this is the search.py, basically for router, whenever people search anything. And this is the tool. You can see here this is the get, post, delete. Okay, and this is the db file, and this is the configure file, and this is the main file. Basically I use FastAPI, and okay, now let's go on website, and this is the docs. Okay, you can see here this is the okay. Now I'm going to basically this is open from fast API, and now go to the docs, and you can see the post get put operation. Okay, now I try to change. Okay, hello. Thing, nothing. Okay, let's enter, and you can see here this data has been stored. Okay, similarly it will perform all tasks. Now go to our front end, and let's create tools. Tools name is Mr. NJ, and Mr. NJ is Python DELO developer, as well as AIML expert. Okay, and I use grammar bytes for the sentence correction. Okay, and this is the CRUD tool. And let's control the printer, that's the printer, and tag Mr. NJ Python AIML DL etc. Okay, enter. It is the metadata. What you want to do? Let's I want to give experience. Okay, Python, it will be in double quoted comma. Python, I have 3 years experience in Python. Okay, and let's do give anything also, and AIML. Oh, AIML. Okay, 0.5. Okay, done. Now create tool. You can see this is here, and you can see that tools has been created successfully. Okay, similarly all code performance will happen, and you can see now read tools. It's before I have generated also. This is the first ID that I've generated. It's before. Now let's generate. Let's search 5. This tool is created sometime before. Okay, and now let's search. I want to search developer. Okay, DEVELOPER developer, and let's search. It will give you top 5 results. Okay, and you can see here. Let's take only one top. Okay, clear Mr. Engineer developer and AML expert. Basically, it's full working project. Okay.